Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Zamima. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to make a Mehendi eye look. So let's get started. First of all, I'm moisturizing my eye. As a moisturizer, I'm using Pathajeli aloe vera gel. I'm brushing my eyebrows now and I'll keep my eyebrows natural today. That's why I'm just drawing a shape and filling it in with a gel eyeliner. I used this gel pomet in my eyebrows. With this black powder, I will set my eyebrows now. To conceal my eye, I am taking Imagic concealer. I am drawing a line below of my eyebrows and then I covered my whole eyelid with the concealer. I used some concealer above of my eyebrows just to get sharp eyebrows. I am using this shade to set my concealer. Starting with this orange shade and applying it in my crease. I am blending it well with a blending brush. It will help us to get a natural look in our eyes. I am just making this shade darker by edging this color a little bit at once. Then I used a black color on it. I'm just blending it in order of going back and front with my brush and trying to connect these two colors. To get more pigmentation, I used some orange shade also. Then I blend all the three colors carefully. I'm gonna use this light orange and applying it in my upper part of crease just to highlight my eye look. I am using this shimmery dark green in my whole eyelid with the help of my fingertips. As a highlighter, I am using this white highlighter. I am applying it in my inner corner and brow bone area also. And now I'm gonna use this green and I will smudge it in my lower lash line. I'm going back with this orange just to have an extra puff in my look. Taking this green glitter and I am applying it on my shimmer color. this white kajal from Technique. I am applying it in my waterline. And now I am applying mascara in my lashes. My mascara is from Imagic. Also applied mascara in my lower lash. Now I am back with wearing a fake lash. So this is my final look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel. Do like, comment and share. Allah Hafiz.